Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am here with some GKs which will be helpful for upcoming exams. So let's not wait any longer. Number 1. The Buran wind blows across A. Eastern Asia, B. Western Europe, C. Southern Africa, D. Eastern Australia. The correct answer is A. Eastern Asia. Notes: the Buran wind blows across Eastern Asia, specifically Xinjiang, Siberia and Kazakhstan. The Buran takes two forms. In summer, it is a hot, dry wind, whipping up sandstorms. In winter, it is bitterly cold and often accompanied by blizzards. Number 2. Which of the following countries is not a part of Melanesia region in the Pacific Ocean? A. Vanuatu, B. Solomon Island, C. Fiji, D. Kiribati. The correct answer is D. Kiribati. Notes: Melanesia is a subregion of Oceania and refers to the Pacific islands from New Guinea southeastwards to the Fiji. It has 4 countries: Vanuatu, Solomon Islands, Fiji and Papua New Guinea. Number 3. The Yarlung Jangbo River in India is known as A. Ganga, B. Indus, C. Brahmaputra, D. Mahanadi. The correct answer is C. Brahmaputra. Notes: the Yarlung Shangpo, also called Yarlung Jangbo or Yalu Jangbo, is the longest river of Tibet Autonomous Region, China. It is the upper stream of the Brahmaputra River. Number 4. The term round revolution is related to which among the following? A. Potato, B. Egg, C. Fish, D. Brinjal. The correct answer is A. Potato. Notes: round revolution is the revolution adopted by the government of India for the increase in production of potato. This revolution is aimed to make the production double or triple instead of single annual increase. Number 5. In which among the following states of United States Death Valley is located? A. Miami, B. Pennsylvania, C. Texas, D. California. The correct answer is D. California. Notes: Death Valley is a desert valley in eastern California in the northern Mojave Desert bordering the Great Basin Desert. It is one of the hottest places on earth, along with deserts in the Middle East and the Sahara. Number 6. The refineries are Mathura, Digboy and Panipat are set up by A. Indian Oil Corporation Limited, B. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, C. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, D. Crude Distillation Unit of Madras Refineries Limited. The right answer is A. Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Number 7. Which planet is known as bright wandering star? A. Mars, B. Venus, C. Saturn, D. Jupiter. The correct answer is D. Jupiter. Notes: The large number of stars observed in the heavens were classified into fixed stars and wandering stars. Fixed stars were those with respect to which the movement of the celestial bodies were measured. Wandering stars were those whose relative distances with respect to the fixed stars keep changing. Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Mercury and Saturn belong to the latter category. Number 8. Which among the following gas is abundant on atmosphere of Mars? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Nitrogen, C. Argon, D. Carbon monoxide. The correct answer is A. Carbon dioxide. Notes: the Curiosity rover sent by NASA, which landed on Mars on August 6, 2012 with the aim to explore the red planet, has confirmed that its air is made mostly of carbon dioxide with hints of other gases. Number 9. Which among the following is a treeless biome? A. Taiga, B. Tundra, C. Chaparral, D. Savanna. The correct answer is B. Tundra. Number 10. The Radcliffe Line is a boundary between A. India and Pakistan, B. India and China, C. India and Myanmar, D. India and Afghanistan. The correct answer is A. India and Pakistan. Number 11. The southernmost point of peninsular India, that is Kanyakumari, is A. north of Tropic of Cancer, B. south of the equator, C. south of the Capricorn, D. north of the equator. The correct answer is D. north of the equator. Notes: Kanyakumari, also known as Cape Comorin, is a town in Kanyakumari district in the state of Tamil Nadu in India. The southernmost town in mainland India, it is sometimes referred to as the Land's End. Number 12. The pass located at the southern end of the Nilgiri Hills in South India is called A. the Palghat Gap, B. the Bhorghat Pass, C. the Tholghat Pass, D. the Bolan Pass. The correct answer is A. the Palghat Gap. Notes: Palakkat Gap or Palghat Gap is a low mountain pass in the western Ghats between Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu and Palakkad in Kerala. It has an average elevation of 140 meters with a width of 24 to 30 kilometers. The pass is located between the Nilgiri Hills to the north and Anaimalai Hills to the south. That's all for today. Hope you must subscribe the channel and click on the all notification bell so that you can get all the notifications for the next time. Thank you.